Hello teachers, today I will tell you how to generate UBI student ID. Log in to UBI page with your login ID and password. You will come to this page. Here student, under new admission, data entry. Then this form will open for you. Here you have to fill the year of the admission, then student name, father name, admission number. Everything will be provided to you. This UBI information form will be given. So here you will be having the admission number, date of admission, date of birth, mother's name, father's name, the category. Everything will be provided to you. So all these fields you need to fill. And please check the quarter fee collection. If the quarter fee has to be accepted, then it will be mentioned here 25 rupees plus Q2, that is quarter fees. And here in quarter 2 it will be selected. So this child has to pay quarter 2 and 25 rupees admission fee. If this is not selected, if quarter 2 is not selected, then here in the admission form you need not select. But for this application it is selected, means the child has to pay. So it is selected here. Then reimbursement form, if the child is eligible for reimbursement, if it comes under RT or any exemption under siblings or KV employees children, single girl child, so you have to see whatever is there in the application form. But for this child it comes under category 1. So all these fields will be no. After you fill all the form, save. Once you save, the another page will open for you. That is the fees paid. So the total fees will be 1825 rupees. This form you have to take the screenshot, click on submit. This UBI ID what is generated is the digit where the students' parents will be using throughout in KV Malleshwaram to pay. This UBI unique ID should be sent to the parent. So you have to take the screenshot of this also. Then later save details, click on OK. If you want to add another student, you can go for another student if another new admission you need to add. Once you fill all this, again go to student, verify, modify. Here click on search. The child which you have recently added in new admission will appear here with the admission fee and with total fee payable. Select here and verify selected records. Okay. After this, you need to inform for the second verification. So this is how you are going to do UBI new admission generation of UBI ID. Generating UBI student ID. Thank you.